Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten password on CANDIDE AI. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in candide.ai and press enter. You will then be taken into the official CANDIDE AI website. Now from the home page, click on the login button at the top right corner to reset your forgotten password. You will then be taken into the login page. Now, since you have forgotten your password, you can click on the Forgot Password button underneath the password box. This will then ask you to enter your email address to reset your password. Just type in the email address that you used to sign up and then click on the Reset Password button and you will be asked to check your inbox. Once you check your inbox, you will be able to click on a link sent from CANDIDE AI which will allow you to reset your password. After typing in your preferred password within the new page, click on the Reset Password button and now your password will successfully be reset. From this point on, you can use your new password along with your original email address that you used to sign up and click on the login button to directly log in to your CANDIDE AI account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on CANDIDE AI. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.